glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonder.
Hey my Sugar Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's Kira here, and in today's video I'm going to be turning a slime shop's logo, Dogo Slimes, into a slime. This video was so fun to make and is also a collab with Abby Slimes Creations. So let's get started. So as you can see in the top right corner, I have her logo along with my plan that I sketched out. It's really bad. But as you can see, the first thing is a hot pink slime base. And I think this color goes nicely with her logo. And then I added some sweet scents into it. And then my mixer is mixing it up for me. And then I started activating it. And now that it's done, the next thing I'm going to do is get some white sleigh buttery slime, and I'm going to swirl it on top, and then I'm going to make that butterfly that you see in her logo and on my sketch out of pink clay, and then I'm going to top the slime off with these really pretty pastel foam beads, and these foam beads are the colors that are in her logo, so I think it goes very nicely, so I'm just adding those on top, and then on top of that I added these really pink and really pretty pink sprinkles that look like flowers, and then I'm done. Let me know what you guys think. I think I did a pretty good job. The end texture ended up being a really nice and fluffy sleigh slime with foam beads, and I really love it. I love the concept of this slime, and I think I did a good job. Just let me know what you guys think. And this slime made amazing ASMR. I love it so much. So I'll let you listen to that now. And I'm jumping in here real quick just to say, as you can see on my hand, I have this gorgeous bracelet. And if you guys want one like this or you want to snatch one, I got this from Nodding with a Twist. And this is my friend's shop on Etsy, and she has a YouTube channel too. And I'll put that in a pinned comment down below. Make sure to check her out and support her. Her bracelets are absolutely amazing, and you guys need to try them. Now back to that ASMR. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know how you like this collab. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!